What's up, everyone? I'm Cody Pratt, aka Random Hero. Have you ever looked at your tattoo, or maybe just seen in someone else's tattoo? There's a straight line, but it looks like there's a little bit of black coming off of it. Well, today we're going to be talking about tattoo blowouts, what they are, what causes them, and how we can fix them. Let's get started. So, tattoo blowouts happen a little more often than we think they might, and some are just more obvious than others. Now, first, what is a tattoo blowout? As you can see from right here, blowouts cause the lines from your tattoo to blur. And this means that the ink used in your tattoo to pull that line has moved outside of its edges. And this gives it a smudged effect. Now, the question that everybody wants answered is what causes these tattoo blowouts? And while there are several things that do cause blowouts, there are two primary reasons that this happens. The first reason is heavy-handedness. And what this means is that the artist has pushed the ink past the second layer of the skin, where the tattoo ink belongs. And we talked about how tattoos worked a little more, and you can check it out in this video right here. But instead of being in that second layer of skin called the dermis, it went past that into the fatty layers of the skin. And once it reached those layers, it spread out. And while most of the time these are done by accident, this also leads us into our second reason why this could happen. And that's just inexperience. Maybe you're getting tattooed by an apprentice, or maybe you're getting tattooed by a scratcher, someone who tattoos at home. This lack of experience or learning curve has caused them from throwing that ink too deep into the skin. I know that when I first started out, I've done this a few times. And I'm sure a lot of super popular and experienced artists have done this as well when they started out. So it happened, it's done with, it's in the past. How do we fix these tattoo blowouts going forward? You can do it one of three ways. The first way is you can just get more tattoos and cover it up. You can go to a laser removal place and get it done. Laser removal is coming pretty popular for people who have tattoos that they regret and want to get them taken off. And the same thing goes with the blowout. And then the most invasive way that I definitely would not recommend is getting it surgically removed. Again, this is super invasive and definitely not recommended. So, how can we prevent tattoo blowouts? Well, consider placement of your tattoo. When you're on thinner skin, it's a lot easier for you to go past that second layer of skin where the tattoo should be. Places like on joints or your hands and your feet have a lot thinner skin, and with the thin skin comes the more likelihood of blowouts. And then another way to prevent this is choose the right artist. While tattoo blowouts could literally happen to any artist, making sure you get an artist with enough experience that knows what they're doing can go a long way to preventing tattoo blowouts. So as you can see, tattoo blowouts happen. And while it's definitely not ideal or preferred, it is kind of part of the art. They are preventable, they are avoidable, and they are fixable to an extent. Let me know in the comments below if you have any tattoo blowouts. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click that little bell for more tattoo education and tattoo advice videos. As always, I'm Cody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.